11 version 23 is to download error in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are facing such issue and fail to download Windows update, here are the fix, and the first workaround is go to Windows settings and under system settings go to troubleshoot from the right side and run the Windows update troubleshoot. This is the initial workaround to fix any Windows update error if you are facing. Go to other troubleshooters and here run the Windows update troubleshooters and follow on a screen instruction to complete the process. It will take some time, wait for minutes. It will not only detect the issue, resolve them accordingly. And check whether your error 23 is to version update resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is again go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type clean manager, clean mgr, and select the device you want to clean up. Drive select C and it will clean your Windows C drive. Choose temporary internet files, download program files, etc. And also you may choose clean up system files. Click on clean up system files and choose drive C, and this cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free on Windows C. Sometimes a space issue may create hindrance in downloading Windows 23 S2 update in your system. And after that, restart your system and check whether 23 S2 update downloading error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Update Windows 23 S2 update manually. Download update manually. So launch your browser and go to Microsoft Update Catalog. Microsoft Update Catalog, from where you can download any type of Windows update manually. Click on Microsoft Update Catalog and in catalog enter the build version which you want to download. Click on search and all your 23 S2 related update will appear here. Simply click on download. To download Windows 11 version 23 S2 manually, one more fix is you should scan your system and use DISM tool as well as SFCS scan. Now go to CMD command prompt Windows as administrator mode and here execute the command first DISM tool to check and scan your system health, and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode and here execute the DISM tool as shown on your screen. DISM scan health, DISM check health, and DISM restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one followed by enter key on each time, and after that execute the command SFC scan now. SFC space slash scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for corrupted